Hi guys, so we are here now in Dinadiawan Beach in Dipaculao, Aurora. So we were surprised to see there is a white beach here. So we were not able to get our Osmo packet recorder, so we just have to present you now with pictures, our slides, and of course an aerial view of what this little paradise of Baler can offer you. So it's an hour drive away from the city of Baler. So I hope you just enjoy the views of this very serene turquoise colored beach with the white sand and sometimes pinkish as well. So just enjoy.
I become a shadow on your wall, forgotten as I wander through the halls. I feel so broken, trying to see a glimmer of a light. Every single hope I have inside just falls. I feel so lost, trying to keep strong in the moment, try to hold on, keep the focus, but each day gets harder as I fall farther. If I become irrelevant in the darkness, lost in the sentiment, please forgotten. If I become irrelevant, so come to evidence that I'm irrelevant. first time. I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine. 'Cause I'm falling in love and it feels like the first time. Feels like the first time. Don't let nobody tell you that you're not beautiful. You give so much to the world but get nothing back at all. She wants new beginnings, always made hopeless with